Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Easy English for Beginners. Today, Sam and Mina go to Burger King after university. Mina is hungry, and Sam helps her learn easy English for ordering food. Listen for today's question. What is Burger King famous for? The answer is in the story. You will also hear useful words like hungry, menu, combo, fries, and toppings. Listen slowly, enjoy the story, and let's begin.
Class was long today.
Yes, so long.
My head feels heavy.
Mine too. I'm tired.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I'm hungry.
Really? Me too.
My stomach is making a sound.
I can hear it.
Oh no, please don't listen.
It's a little cute.
Stop, it's not cute at all.
Okay, sorry.
I need food soon.
Do you want to eat something?
Yes, please, but where?
Let me think for a minute.
Something easy and fast is good.
How about a burger?
A burger? That sounds really nice.
Have you ever been to Burger King?
Burger King? I know the name.
But have you been inside?
Not much. Maybe one time before.
Only one time? Really?
Yes, I don't remember it well.
Then let's go together today.
Now? Like right now?
Yes, it's near the station.
Oh, near our train station?
Yes, about 5 minutes from here.
Okay, I want to try it.
Good. You'll like it, I'm sure.
I hope so. I'm new to it.
Don't worry. It's a fun place.
Okay, let's go.
Oh wait, one more thing.
What is it?
Burger King has a small English rule.
A rule? What kind of rule?
I think you'll really like it.
Tell me now, please.
Not yet. You'll see it later.
Sam, that's not fair at all.
It's a surprise, a good one.
Okay, fine. Let's walk faster.
Yes, let's go.
I can't wait now.
You'll find out soon, trust me.
I trust you, most of the time.
Most of the time? Only most?
Yes, only most. Be careful.
I'll be very careful.
Good answer.
I learn fast.
I can see that.
Burger King is just ahead.
How many minutes?
About 5 more minutes.
Okay, I can wait that long.
Are you sure?
Yes, but I need food soon.
Walk faster then.
Okay, let's go. So, how is Burger King different?
Different from what?
From McDonald's, of course.
Oh, good question.
I want to know before we go inside.
Okay. Well, first, the burgers are bigger.
Bigger? How big?
Pretty big. You'll see soon.
That's a little scary.
Don't worry, it's not too scary.
Okay, what else is different?
The Whopper is very famous.
The Whopper? That's a strange name.
Yes, it's a fun name.
What does Whopper mean?
It means something really big.
Oh, I see now.
It's their main burger.
Like the Big Mac at McDonald's?
Yes, kind of like that.
I understand now. Same idea.
Right, every chain has one.
That's interesting to know.
And one more big thing.
Tell me, please.
They cook the meat over fire.
Over fire? Real fire?
Yes, real fire, not a pan.
Wow, so they use real fire?
Yes, real fire, but in a safe way.
That sounds really nice.
It gives a nice smell, too.
I want to smell it now.
Soon, 2 more minutes.
I can almost smell it already.
That's just your hungry mind.
Maybe. What else should I know?
Many people change the toppings.
Change the toppings? Really?
Yes, in many ways.
For example?
You can add cheese,
That sounds good.
or you can remove pickles.
Oh, that's helpful.
Some people don't like pickles.
I'm okay with pickles, actually.
Good for you.
Is changing things normal there?
Yes, it's totally normal.
I didn't know that.
Now you know. Look, there's the sign.
I can see it. We're here.
That was a fast walk.
Yes, because I'm hungry.
Hungry people walk fast.
Maybe that's true.
Are you ready to go in?
Yes, let's open the door.
After you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
I try my best.
I can smell the fire already.
See? I told you.
It smells so good. Wow, the menu is so big.
Yes, there's a lot to see.
So many burgers.
Take your time, no rush.
I don't know where to look.
Just look at the pictures first.
Good idea. What do you recommend?
For your first time, a Whopper combo.
A Whopper combo? What's that?
A burger, fries, and a drink.
Oh, so it's a set?
Right. Combo just means a set.
I see. A burger set.
Easy, right?
Yes, easy.
The fries are good here.
Just normal fries?
Yes, but very crispy.
I really like crispy fries.
Then you're lucky today.
What else do they have?
They also have onion rings.
Onion rings? What are those?
They're round with onion inside.
Oh, I've seen those before.
They're really tasty.
Maybe next time for me.
That's a good plan.
One thing at a time.
Look at that big picture.
Which one?
That's the Whopper.
Oh, this looks big.
Yes, it's a real size photo.
Maybe too big for me.
You think so?
I have a small mouth.
You'll be fine, really.
Are you sure?
Yes, many people share too.
Wait, we can share?
Sure, but try one first.
Okay, I'll try one.
Good, be brave.
I'll order the Whopper combo.
Nice choice.
What size drink should I get?
Medium is fine.
Okay, medium it is.
I'll order for both of us.
Thank you. I'll watch you.
Listen carefully. You'll learn fast.
I'll try my best.
Good. That is a nice way to think.
I feel a little nervous.
Don't be nervous.
There are so many people.
It's lunchtime now.
I see. That makes sense.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's go to the counter.
Stand right next to me.
Okay, right here?
Perfect. Now watch and listen.
Great job listening so far. Sam and Mina are learning about Burger King step by step. Before we continue the story, let's practice 5 useful words from today's episode. Word 1. Hungry. Hungry means you want to eat food. For example, Mina says, "I'm hungry." Word 2. Menu. A menu shows the food and drinks you can order. For example, Mina looks at the menu and sees many burgers. Word 3. Combo. A combo means food and a drink together as one set. For example, Sam orders a Whopper combo. Word 4. Fries. Fries are long, thin pieces of potato. For example, Mina says the fries are crispy. Word 5. Toppings. Toppings are things you put on food, like cheese, pickles, or onions. For example, Sam says many people change the toppings. Nice work! These words are simple, but they are very useful when you order fast food. Now, let's go back to Sam and Mina. They have ordered their food, and now they are ready to eat. Listen for the answer to today's question and for the phrase, "have it your way."
Hi, Welcome to Burger King.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. What can I get you?
Can I get a Whopper combo, please?
Sure. Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. What drink would you like?
Cola, please.
1 cola. Got it. Anything else?
Yes, one more Whopper combo, please.
Also medium?
Yes, medium again.
And the drink for that one?
Can I change the drink?
Of course. What would you like?
Orange juice, please.
1 orange juice. Got it. Would you like to add onion rings?
Not today, thank you.
Okay. Do you want any sauce?
Yes, 2 ketchups, please.
2 ketchups. Got it.
That's all for today.
Let me check your order, okay?
Sure, please go ahead.
2 Whopper combos, both medium.
Yes, that's right.
1 cola, 1 orange juice.
Correct.
4 here with 2 ketchups.
Yes, that's everything.
Your total is $15.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
Your number is 42.
42. Got it.
We'll bring it to your table.
Oh, that's nice.
Please find a seat over there.
Thank you. We'll wait there.
Enjoy your meal today.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Next, please.
Oh, one more quick question.
Sure, what is it?
Where can we get ketchup?
It's at the counter over there.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
You were very kind today.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Wow, look at all this food.
Here's your Whopper.
It's so big.
I told you, didn't I?
Yes, you did, but really, wow.
How do you feel?
A little nervous.
Don't be nervous.
How do I hold it?
Use both hands.
Both hands? Okay.
Yes, press the top a little.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. Good.
It's still big.
Now take a small bite first.
Okay, here I go.
How is it?
It's juicy.
Right? It has a lot of juice inside.
I can taste the fire.
Yes, the meat is cooked over fire.
It smells nice too.
That's the best part for me.
When did this burger start?
The Whopper started a long time ago, in 1957.
That is a long time ago.
Yes, very old.
Older than my mom.
Older than my dad, too.
Wow, it's a famous burger.
Try the fries now.
Okay, here we go.
How are they?
The fries are crispy.
I knew you'd like them.
This is really good.
I'm glad.
Oh, wait, the ketchup.
Be careful.
Ah, it almost fell.
Whoa, nice catch.
That was so close.
Your shirt is safe.
Yes, but my heart is fast.
Take a breath.
Okay, I'm calm now.
Drink some cola.
This cup is big.
American drinks are even bigger.
Even bigger? Really?
Yes, sometimes very big.
I can't finish this one.
That's okay. Take your time.
This is a fun lunch.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you for bringing me.
Anytime. I'll bring you again.
I want to come back soon.
How about next month?
That sounds perfect.
It's a date then.
A burger date.
My favorite kind of date.
Mine too, now.
Eat slowly. We have time.
Okay, I'll enjoy it. I have a question for you.
Sure, ask me.
What's your favorite fast food?
I like big American burgers.
Like the Whopper?
Yes, exactly. What about you?
I like teriyaki burgers.
Oh, the Japanese kind.
Yes, sweet sauce, soft bun.
That sounds really nice.
Japan has different burgers.
I know. I tried some.
Did you like them?
Yes, but they're small for me.
Small.
American burgers are bigger.
Yes, this is too big for me.
Japanese burgers are smaller.
That's true.
Each country is different.
That's interesting.
Food changes in every place.
Like rice or bread?
Yes, exactly the same idea.
I want to try more.
Now, remember the rule I said?
Yes, the small English rule.
Are you ready?
Tell me, please.
At Burger King, you can choose the way you like.
Choose? Choose what?
You can choose your toppings.
Oh, like before.
Yes, you can remove pickles.
Right, you did that.
You can add more cheese.
Oh, I see now.
You can change the drink.
Yes, you did that too.
So they say a special phrase,
What phrase?
have it your way.
Have it your way?
Yes, it means your way is okay.
Order the way I like?
Exactly, that's the rule.
Oh, I really like that rule.
I thought you would.
It's a kind rule.
Yes, your way is the right way.
I love that idea.
It works for food.
And for life, too?
Yes, for life too.
That's beautiful, Sam.
Good, now you know the secret.
It's not really a secret now.
True, now you know.
I'll remember this rule.
Use it next time.
I will, I promise.
That makes me happy.
That was so much fun.
I'm happy you liked it.
My stomach is so full now.
Mine too.
The Whopper was really good.
I knew you'd like it.
I want to try another burger.
Another one? Right now?
No, not now. Next time.
Oh, good. I'm too full.
I'm full now too.
We ate a lot.
But there are so many burgers.
Yes, many kinds.
I want to try them all.
One at a time, okay?
One at a time. Okay.
Let's get onion rings next time.
Yes, please. I want to try them.
They're really crispy and good.
I love crispy things.
I know you do.
And maybe a different drink.
Like what?
I don't know. Any ideas?
Maybe a milkshake.
Oh, a milkshake. Yes.
Sweet and cold.
That sounds so nice.
We have a plan now.
A good plan for next time.
I can't wait.
Me too. So much.
It will be fun again.
Sam, one more thing.
Yes? What is it?
Next time, I want to order.
Really? In English?
Yes, I want to order in English next time.
That's great.
But I'm a little scared.
Don't be scared.
It's hard for me.
You can do it.
You really think so?
Yes, I'll be next to you.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. You're brave.
Have it my way, right?
Exactly. Your way is fine.
I love that rule so much.
Let's catch the train.
Yes, let's go home.
What time is your train?
In 15 minutes.
We have time.
Good, no rush.
Today was nice.
Really nice.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, same time, same place.
Good night, Mina.
Good night, Sam.
Great job today! In this story, Sam and Mina went to Burger King after university. They talked about the Whopper, fries, toppings, and easy ways to order food in English. Now, here is the answer to today's question. What is Burger King famous for? It is famous for the Whopper. Sam said this while he and Mina were walking to the restaurant. If you want to practice, write a comment with one sentence. You can write, I want to try a Whopper, or I want to order food in English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Slow English story. Bye.